Hello and welcome to Brick Tip number 70. In this video, I'm going to describe how I got that particular tilt on the swing carousel. If you look down here, you can see that the gears controlling the top of the canopy are connected to it by a pivot gear, and this gives us some tilt, but without a reinforcement, it would just fall off. This is what the axle looks like that is connected to the canopy, and you'll notice right here is a bevel gear. That bevel gear is going to ride inside this ring gear, which is going to provide all the support we need to keep the canopy from tipping over entirely. I'm going to turn on the motor so you can see how this bevel gear rides within this ring gear due to the pivot in the bottom. You can see as the axle spins, it's spinning that bevel gear in the opposite direction that the canopy is spinning in. And this is what's giving us our wobbly looking canopy top. The weight of the canopy is also helping with this because gravity will keep it from just dropping in whatever direction. And because there is so much weight on that canopy, I had to make sure to reinforce this ring gear quite a bit to make sure it just didn't topple over. I just wanted to show this to you very quickly so you can understand how it works. Hopefully you can use something like this in one of your own projects and you found this a little bit inspiring. If you have, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and don't forget to share in the conversation on Facebook and our other social feeds. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming in bricks. I'm going to leave you with the swing carousel in action.